Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Nissan Altima. First, gather all your necessary supplies. You'll need about 5 quarts of the recommended engine oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, a wrench, and a funnel. Safety glasses and gloves are also important for this job. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Next, safely lift your Nissan Altima using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath the plug. Carefully remove the plug with your wrench, allowing the old oil to flow into the pan. Let it drain completely, which usually takes several minutes. Now it's time to replace the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to the new filter's rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Screw the new filter on by hand until it's snug, then give it about a 3/4 turn more. Finally, reinstall the oil drain plug securely. Finally, lower your Nissan Altima back to the ground. Open the hood and use a funnel to carefully pour the new engine oil into the oil fill cap. Add the recommended amount, typically around 5 quarts. Start the engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the oil, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick and top it off if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.